Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Facebook app lagging or very slow. First of all, clear cache and temporary data. To do that, head over to your settings, search for iPhone storage, scroll down, click on Facebook, click offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. After you do that, go to your app store, search for Facebook, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Now if that does not work, just go ahead and restart your phone. After restarting, close unused apps running in the background or swipe everything away. Then reopen Facebook to see if the lagging has stopped. After that, free up iPhone storage. If it is low, go to your settings and then search for iPhone storage and check if you still have enough space. Safety tip: avoid beta or mocked app, they lag more. Quick fix: reinstall Facebook, and that's it. Subscribe for more. Fix it.